Hi, my name is Mutaz Majdoub. I'm co-founder and CEO of GGEZ1. I'll be presenting the GGEZ1 pitch deck, a Web3 financial platform specializing in tokenizing real-world assets. The platform is nearing completion as an MVP, and we plan to launch the platform in the coming few months. So let's go. GGEZ1 Platform is an interconnected and decentralized Layer 1 blockchain that specializes in tokenizing high-value real-world assets to create accessible, stable, transparent, and secure asset-backed cryptocurrency, integrating regenerative finance (ReFi) principles to promote a sustainable and equitable Web3 economy. The platform offers three functions. It powers an asset-backed cryptocurrency collateralized by investments in sustainability (ReFi), tokenization launchpad for asset owners to launch their own cryptocurrency, Web3 distribution framework to ensure availability across Web3 channels. Chronic inflation and currency devaluation are affecting hundreds of millions around the world. People are seeing the diminishing value of their wages and life savings, resulting in a declining standard of living. A volatile global economy and dysfunctional financial policies are the primary drivers for this problem. The only way to preserve the value of savings is by investing in high-value assets, such as real estate, the stock market, like index funds and blue-chip stocks, or commodities, like gold and precious metals. However, the high-value investment barriers associated with these assets prevent many people from accessing this valuable protection. Web3 and asset-backed cryptocurrency offer innovative solutions for a more accessible and stable financial system. Web3 financial platform enables a global, open-source, and more efficient financial infrastructure combined with real-world asset-backed cryptocurrency that offer users a safe store of value, price stability, and access to high-value assets by enabling fractional ownership, allowing users with a small investment amounts to invest in high-value assets. The GGEZ1 platform consists of three layers: an interconnected and decentralized blockchain, a smart chain that can exchange assets and data with other blockchains and without central exchanges; two, an asset-backed cryptocurrency, a cryptocurrency backed by real-world income-generating global investments in sustainability (ReFi); and three, real-world asset tokenization launchpad, a Web3 application designed for asset owners and managers to streamline the tokenization and distribution process of their assets. The blockchain powering the GGEZ1 platform is a Layer 1 advanced proof-of-stake system designed to offer high scalability, interoperability, and cost efficiency. The blockchain features are: 1. Interconnected and decentralized. The chain connects with leading public chains and can exchange assets and data without central exchanges, promoting a decentralized financial ecosystem. 2. High performance and low cost. Transactions are confirmed in under 7 seconds and fees are under 1 cent, with a capacity to process 10,000 transactions per second. 3. Tokenization infrastructure. A tokenization toolset designed to enable the creation of asset-backed cryptocurrency. It features live connections with fund trading exchanges, allowing for the seamless minting and burning of coins based on real-time demand. This integration ensures that token supply aligns with market conditions, enhancing liquidity and enabling a more dynamic asset management. Asset-backed cryptocurrency collateralized by income-generating global investments in projects that advance environmental sustainability and social equity (ReFi). ReFi stands for Regenerative Finance, an investment approach that aims to generate both financial returns and social and environmental impact. Imagine a cryptocurrency backed by something that is good for our planet, backed by projects that generate clean, cheap energy, sustainable agriculture, and prospering ecosystems. Tokenization involves converting ownership or rights of assets into digital tokens on a blockchain. This digital representation, called a token, essentially acts as a certificate of ownership for the underlying assets. Tokenization can be applied to various asset types, including tradable securities. This includes stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Privately owned assets. Investment trusts are formed to own private assets by utilizing investment vehicles such as private equity trusts and real estate investment trusts, REITs. The ownership or rights of these assets are reflected into what is known as real-world asset-backed cryptocurrency. The tokenization launchpad enables asset owners and managers to streamline the tokenization and distribution of assets. It supports users from the initial due diligence to legal structuring, ensuring compliance and market readiness. The platform also facilitates efficient management and monitoring of market supply, allowing for the optimal asset availability and value maximization. To ensure coins created on the GGEZ1 platform are available across various Web3 channels, several integrations and mechanisms will be implemented on the platform to ensure accessibility and utility of coins within the crypto ecosystem, including 1. Decentralized crypto exchanges and DeFi platforms, peer-to-peer platforms that facilitates non-custodial cryptocurrency trading without intermediaries. 2. Multi-chain support via smart contracts enable coins to function on multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Solana, among others. 3. Cross-chain bridges enable secure, permissionless coin transfers with other blockchains using protocols like IBC, inter-blockchain communications, and others. 4. Wallet integrations to support a wide range of crypto wallets. And finally, getting listed on the cryptocurrency exchanges to secure listing on major cryptocurrency exchanges. We will initially issue the following 2 coins. 1. GGEZ1 Platform Governance Coin, designed to facilitate participation in the governance of the platform, allowing coin holders to influence decisions regarding the platform's operation and future development. Coin holders can stake their coin to earn rewards. 2. ReFi Coin, a cryptocurrency backed by investments in sustainability, ideal for those looking to invest in stable digital asset that supports global sustainability efforts. Coin holders can stake their coins and earn passive income. The platform Launchpad is designed to create coins for companies, enabling the creation for more coins on the platform in the future. Imagine creating asset-backed cryptocurrency for sustainability project to help them fundraise and expand. Companies like Quaise Energy, electricity from geothermal energy; Climeworks, direct carbon air capture and removal; Universal Hydrogen, zero carbon fuel for aviation; Source, renewable drinking water systems; Yoleli, industrialization of fonio grain production in Africa; HDF Energy, Africa's first green hydrogen plant in Namibia. Supporting these projects are crucial for the world because they accelerate the transition to sustainability, create jobs and economic opportunities, and generate financial returns. The value proposition of the platform for end users: 1. Trusted, secure, and stable asset-backed cryptocurrency. 2. Investing in valuable assets by enabling users with smaller investment amounts to invest in high-value assets. 3. Support for projects and investments that promote environmental sustainability and social equity. For companies, asset and fund managers: 1. Access to liquidity at lower transaction cost and faster settlement times. 2. Income from transaction fee revenue sharing generated by the trading of the tokenized assets. And 3. Increased market value of their assets. The go-to-market strategy is designed to maximize the platform reach and impact. The strategy: 1. Build the Web3 distribution channel. 2. Reach out and establish partnership with asset custodians, equity firms, and fund managers to collaborate on the tokenization of their assets. 3. Focus on crypto users in high adoption countries like UAE and Turkey. 4. Marketing strategies that employ targeted organic channels such as affiliate and influencer marketing to engage the target market effectively and build community trust and engagement. Why now? BlackRock's recent launch of the Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, a tokenized fund on a public blockchain, demonstrates industry validation and the embrace of blockchain technology by a major institutional player. This is reinforced by the projected market size for tokenized assets, which is expected to reach $16 trillion by 2030, according to a report by Boston Consulting Group. Additionally, there is a strong global movement focused on investing in sustainable infrastructure, which is expected to reach $1 trillion by 2025. Collectively, these indicators highlight the market's readiness for the GGEZ1 platform. As BlackRock CEO Larry Fink stated, the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities. This underscores the transformative potential of tokenization, which is at the heart of the GGEZ1 platform. Market size. The total global stablecoin market size, the total available market TAM, in 2024 is projected to be around 600 million users. with the serviceable obtainable market SOM at approximately 50 million users. In terms of revenue, the total revenue generated from stablecoins TAM is estimated at about $3 billion, with the SOM estimated at about 220 million. Assuming a compound annual growth rate of 10%, the market size by 2027 is expected to be, in terms of users, TAM is projected to be around 800 million, and the sum is estimated to be about 70 million users. In terms of revenue, TAM is projected to be about $4.5 billion, with the SOM estimated at about $300 million. We estimate the serviceable obtainable market SOM in emerging markets in 2027 to be approximately 70 million users, with an annual revenue potential of $300 million USD. We're targeting approximately 10% of the serviceable obtainable market. Therefore, by 2027, we aim to attain 7 million users and generate annual revenue of 30 million USD. The project's revenue potential is estimated as follows. By 2027, we project the annual revenue to be between 10 and 30 million USD, based on an annual ARPU, average revenue per user, of $2 to $3, and projected MAU, monthly active users, of 5 to 10 million. By 2032, we anticipate the annual revenue will grow to between 60 million and 120 million USD, based on an annual ARPU of $3 to $4 USD and projected monthly active users of 20 to 30 million. Revenue streams: 1. Transaction fees, fees charged for transactions on the platform. 2. Earnings and interests generated from the asset's collateral. 3. Tokenization fees, fees associated with managing tokenization activities on the Launchpad. Cryptocurrency backed by real-world assets will achieve broad acceptance because people trust the security and stability that come with tangible assets. Asset-backed cryptocurrency bridges traditional asset confidence with digital currency innovation, fostering greater adoption. The GGEZ1 blockchain ecosystem powers ReFi investments-backed cryptocurrency that is better than fiat currency-backed stablecoins and better than gold-backed cryptocurrency because the underlying assets generate both financial returns and measurable economic and environmental impact. Imagine a cryptocurrency that combines the price stability of a stablecoin with the security of being backed by diversified real-world assets. It offers users protection against inflation and at the same time generates economic output in the back end. GGEZ1 Platform competitive advantage: 1. First blockchain ecosystem focused on emerging markets. 2. Modern blockchain platform with high scalability, interoperability, and cost efficiency. 3. Specialization in real-world asset tokenization. 4. Regenerative finance approach to investments. In terms of traction and roadmap, we have successfully launched the testnet and formed the legal entity for the project. We plan to launch the live chain by Q2 2024 and start the private sales. The founders have over 20 years of experience in developing financial solutions and have successfully built 2 fintech platforms that currently service clients across Europe and the Middle East. NewMoney.com electronic voucher distribution platform supports over 10,000 merchants in Saudi Arabia, and 2. Accomplished financial payment card issuing platform supports over 30 corporate clients and financial institutions in Europe and Canada. We're looking for investors to join us early as the potential for this project is enormous. We plan to start fundraising during Q2 2024 when the chain goes live. We're raising 2.4 million USD in seed funding in exchange for 5% of the project to allow us to develop the ecosystem. Real-world asset tokenization has the potential to revolutionize how we invest, manage, and trade assets. By integrating Web3 with the tokenization of real-world assets, GGEZ1 is perfectly positioned to lead this new era in financial markets, offering a more inclusive, stable, and transparent financial platform. Invest in a Web3 project that benefits people and the planet. GGEZ1, real-world impact, real financial returns.